So my hatch recently stopped working. I wasn't able to open it from the outside, so I searched all over the internet and I looked on YouTube and stuff, and I could not find a video on how to open it from the inside. So I'm gonna show you real quick. So basically you will have to, climb through the inside of your car. I'm not going back through there, I already popped mine open, but once you're inside, you'll be looking at the inside of the hatch. There's the window. Down here towards the bottom, there will be a little cap right here. Let me find mine. Popped it off. Here it is. So you will have to just pop this off with a flathead screwdriver. Then you will be able to access this. And there's that little silver lever. Just push it over and you'll be able to push the hatch open. And I'm thinking I might have some faulty wiring right here, but I will now try to figure out why my hatch and my reverse lights are not turning on, okay? And my high center mounted brake light, the third brake light or whatever you want to call it, okay? So I hope this helps you out.